is a screenshot of one of my lessons yesterday that made me jump with joy. It was so sweet. Somebody who absolutely loves Holliger and was missing school, so they dressed up for our lessons yesterday. Fantastic effort, Dion. Well done. Okay, a lovely message here from Tamelia with her acts of kindness this week. This was lovely to read. It was sent to Miss Nissan and she's passed it on. So well done, Tamelia. Lots of sparkle over in your household. Fantastic. Look at this. Now, Safia, you're going to have to jump in and pronounce her name because I'm not sure how it's pronounced.
His name's Zeev.
Zeev. Okay. And John, tell us about Zeev.
He's very annoying and he can't stop squeaking when he wants something.
Have you had any accidents on your laptop of the bird kind?
Yes.
You having a mashed potato?
He has no self-control by pooping.
Fantastic. I bet that's made a few people laugh. Brilliant. Okay. Okay, this is... Say it again. Okay. Okay, these are homemade bracelets by Isabella and she's been making them and sending them to her friends. I think they're absolutely fantastic. She's clearly very talented here in the crafts. What a lovely photo and a lovely effort sending them out to your friends. Okay, this was Lottie's workbook this week. To cheer herself up, she's been doing all her classwork in this Born to Sparkle notebook. What a lovely idea. Fantastic. Okay, and here's my sparkle because I had a great 2 lessons yesterday where I mastered using the whiteboard on Teams, and it made us all really happy that we could all get to grips with this tool that's available on Teams. Okay, so now we're going to go over to some Sparkle Week celebration messages from your form tutors. And what we'll do is we'll just go through in 7A, B, and so on in that order all the way through school. So if you could take it away, please, the year 7A team, and then on to 7B, etc. Thank you.
Can I start? Is that okay? Because we've got a mixture of 7A and 7B, I've just collated some of the bits and pieces that I've got from 7A and 7B. Mrs. Thornton and Mrs. Meaton might want to add afterwards. But fantastic acts of kindness from year 7. Just a list that I've collated so far. We've got people who took out time to help out in food banks, making brownies to give to people on for their food bank parcels. People have made pancakes for their family. We've had emptying the dishwasher, which is my personal favourite. Helping the homeless, which is very, very important. Think about how cold it is at the minute. Dog sitting, baking cakes, emptying the washing machine, loading the washing machine, making dinner, helping with dinner. There's been lots and lots of lovely acts of kindness that year 7 have been sending me this week. So well done, everybody. Yeah,
that's great. Lovely. Oh, I'll just move my camera down a bit. And morning, everybody. I've got a few to add to that. Also had all the really excellent helping out with chores and hearing what everybody's been doing at home to help out, making cups of tea. I think that was a nice one to hear from a lot of you. We also had somebody sending flowers to a family member to cheer them up, which I liked. Filling up bird feeders, which was also good to hear. So looking after the wildlife outside, I thought that was good. And wishing a fellow form member a sparkly happy birthday. We had a birthday this week too. So well done. Miss Seaton?
Yep, so just a couple more. Obviously the cups of tea is absolutely a fantastic thing. I know Lily Noon's mum came to tell me that Lily had made her a cup of tea and I was quite jealous because I really wanted one at the time. So Lily's been great doing that. We've had a couple writing letters to family, so family that are on their own, which I thought was a lovely thing to do. And I know that Holly has been helping Max with some of his music and drama work, and that made me really, really happy. I know Holly helps Max in lesson as well, and they were working together. So what a lovely sparkly thing to do. And I've got my Celebrating Rosie's Jojo bow, I think it's called, to celebrate everybody.
Fantastic, Year 7. Well done. Should we go over to the Year 8 team?
Hello, good morning, everybody. So for 8B, we've got a few really lovely things that they've been getting on with this week. They've been making tea and coffee, helping out with the household chores, walking the dog. Somebody made spaghetti bolognese, yummy. Somebody's made a conscious effort to take time away from the screen to then spend more time with the family, feeding the cats, puppy sitting, oh that's cute, and somebody FaceTime to support their cousin with their history work, so I think that's lovely. Thank you. Well done, Year 8.
Also from Year 8, as well as all the helping out at home that everybody else is doing, Year 8 are making fantastic effort in attending all their lessons and submitting some fantastic work this week.
Brilliant. Well done, Year 8. Great effort. Over to Year 9, please.
There we go. So in Year 9, we've got a whole range of things that mainly involve helping out in the house. So we've got making Mum a cup of tea, making breakfast for the whole family, which is impressive. A lot of multitasking going on there. We've also got a lot of tidying going on, so helping out in the home in that way, helping to walk the dog, and in particular getting out in the garden, helping Dad with the garden, which the weather's been pretty extreme recently, so I think that's impressive, definitely.
For 9B, we've had, again, similar things, both indoors and outdoors. We've had people helping put the bins out for their gran because they can't do it. We've had people going on walks, to get some fresh air and doing a litter pick along the way. We've had lots of the tidying up and doing household chores as well. And the one I particularly liked was one of ours made cups of tea for their mum, who's a teacher who's been working very hard, so making her lots of cups of tea. Because of the cold weather, we've had somebody who's clearing ice off the pond so the fish don't die. And then one of the biggest, nicest one we had was one of our Year 9s has been supporting a friend who's got COVID and dropping presents off around the house, obviously not going in, and doing lots of positive messages and cheering up phone calls, which was really nice to see.
Wonderful. Well done, Year 9. Okay, over to Year 10. Should we start with 10A? Thank you. I'm happy to start then. I'll start with Year 10B. We've had a really nice one to start with was somebody's been painting with watercolors who doesn't usually take to art with watercolors. So they've been cheering themselves up by trying out a new skill. We've had lots of helping with the housework, doing the hoovering and general chores. So well done. I bet that goes down really well with your families. We've had some cooking, so helping out with the meals, making lots of tea and coffee. And another lovely one was making an effort to talk to my friends and see how they're getting on. Well done, Year 10. Okay.
10A.
Thank you.
So 10A, we've had some lovely things of helping friends with online games and supporting them. So a nice social activity online. We've had making food for brothers and sisters and helping them out that way. And also we have an animal recoverist who has been helping her pet recover from an operation they've had.
Lovely. And Year 11 team.
In Year 11A, we've been helping around the house mostly. So we've had people doing the laundry, which I'm sure parents appreciated, washing the dishes, walking the dog. had some people cooking the dinner, and someone made shepherd's pie, which sounded very nice. Yeah, so lots of help with household chores in year 11.
Okay, in 11B, we've had a form member who's had a birthday this week, so there's been lots of greetings going to that particular form member. We've had some form members overcoming some inhibitions, making excellent contributions to form time discussions. We've had enhanced politeness, I think. We've had huge engagement on Teams, and we've had students helping each other overcome their technological barriers.
Well, that's wonderful to hear. Well done, everybody. And I'd like to say a special well done to all of you for all of your efforts this week. We've all noticed your presence in your Teams lessons. We've noticed you increasing all your submissions and showing your teachers the work that you've been producing at home. So a massive well done from all the teachers at Holliger to you fantastic students. And you're cheering us up as well at the moment. So getting to teach you and see you and talk to you online is bringing sparkle to all our lives. And as a special reward this Sparkle Week, don't look out for the Stars of the Week post on Show My Homework. Look out for special badges that are going to be awarded by your form tutors. Okay, so they're going to choose badges that they think suit and are rewarding for the things you've been up to or and your personality. So as Mr. Sood has just posted, a huge well done. Look out for the special badges that are coming your way today, and have a fantastic weekend. Happy Sparkle weekend. Well done, everyone.